Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 16 most exciting electric trikes, bikes, and scooters you can find on Amazon. From high-speed electric bikes built for adventure to compact scooters perfect for city commuting, this list has something for every rider. All links are in the description for quick access. Buckle up, because we're counting down starting with number 1. Number 1, Eahora Romeo Pro II. The Eahora Romeo Pro II is a beast of an electric bike, engineered for riders who crave both speed and endurance. Its dual 1,500W hub motors generate an impressive 240 Nm of torque, propelling the bike to top speeds around 44 miles per hour. A massive 3,120 Wh battery provides an astounding 104 to 112 miles of range with pedal assist, or 70 to 76 miles on motor alone, making long-distance trips effortless and ideal for weekend adventures. Built with high-carbon steel, the frame combines strength and safety, featuring hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping power, motor cutoff for emergencies, and integrated 2,000-lumen headlights perfect for night riding or low-visibility conditions. Pros: incredible range and torque, solid build, high safety features, smooth ride over rough terrain, robust digital interface. Cons: heavy and premium priced, requires careful handling at top speeds, may be cumbersome to store in tight spaces. Number 2. Jasion EB7 2.0. The Jasion EB7 2.0 strikes the perfect balance of style, efficiency, and urban utility. Its 750W motor with pedal assist reaches 28 miles per hour, while the removable 624Wh battery ensures 55 to 70 miles per charge, making it great for daily commuting without frequent recharging. Full suspension, a 7-speed drivetrain, and ergonomic seat design make navigating city streets and light trails comfortable and smooth. Mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, even in wet conditions. Lightweight yet durable, this e-bike folds easily for storage or transportation on public transit. Its modern design, intuitive controls, and quiet motor operation appeal to commuters, students, and casual riders alike. Pros: portable, versatile, user-friendly, smooth suspension, lightweight frame. Cons: limited off-road capability compared to rugged e-bikes, slightly slower top speed for thrill seekers, may require frequent battery monitoring for extended trips. Number 3. HJM TriHauler. The HJM TriHauler is a rugged, cargo-focused electric trike designed for carrying heavy loads or hauling goods effortlessly. Its 750W front hub motor pairs with 5 pedal assist levels and a thumb throttle, supporting a remarkable load capacity of up to 480 pounds. Comfort is prioritized with a plush leather seat, shaped handlebars, and protective black fenders. Front and rear LED lighting ensures visibility during night rides or low-light conditions, while the stable 3-wheel design prevents tipping when carrying cargo. The durable frame is built to handle daily use for delivery services, farming, or personal cargo transport. Pros: heavy-duty, stable 3-wheel design, high load capacity, comfortable seating, durable construction. Cons: bulkier for storage, heavier than traditional e-bikes, slower acceleration compared to lighter models, less agile in tight corners. Number 4. TST Electric Bike. For adventure lovers, the TST Electric Bike delivers uncompromised off-road performance. Its 1,500W peak motor generates 90 Nm torque, effortlessly climbing slopes up to 35 degrees. The waterproof, removable battery offers over 60 miles per charge, allowing long off-road excursions without worry. Wide, rugged tires provide traction on sand, snow, mud, and uneven trails, while puncture-resistant technology reduces maintenance and downtime. Integrated LED lights, a robust frame, and shock-absorbing suspension enhance safety and comfort on challenging terrain. Ideal for trail riding, mountain exploration, and outdoor adventures. Pros: off-road ready, long battery life, strong motor, stable ride on challenging terrain, durable frame. Cons: heavier than urban e-bikes, designed more for adventure than city commuting, requires physical effort on steep inclines. Number 5. Inmotion RS. The Inmotion RS scooter is built for speed, precision, and long-distance rides. Dual 2,000W motors propel it to 68 miles per hour, with a 2,880Wh battery delivering up to 100 miles per charge. Adjustable pedal height, front suspension, and dual hydraulic braking provide accurate handling even at high speeds. Its sleek design, digital display, and responsive acceleration make it perfect for thrill seekers or long-distance commuters seeking a premium electric scooter experience. Pros: fast, long-range, premium build, smooth suspension, digital interface. Cons: high learning curve at top speeds, premium price, requires careful handling and safety gear, heavier than commuter scooters. Number 6. Apex Electric Bike. The Apex Electric Bike balances versatility, performance, and security. Its 1200W brushless motor handles varied terrain and hills effortlessly, while the removable battery offers over 55 miles of pedal assist range. Anti-theft technology keeps your investment safe, while wide tires provide stability on city streets or light trails. Adjustable handlebars, ergonomic saddle, and suspension fork enhance long-ride comfort. Perfect for urban commuting, weekend adventures, or casual off-road rides. Pros: reliable, versatile, secure, smooth ride, suitable for multiple terrains. Cons: slightly heavier than typical city e-bikes, limited cargo space, may require maintenance for long-term performance. Number 7. Jasion RetroVolt. This retro-inspired e-bike combines vintage aesthetics with modern performance. Its 1500W motor reaches 30 miles per hour, supported by a 624Wh battery for up to 70 miles of riding. Dual mechanical disc brakes and full suspension ensure comfort and safety on rough terrain. Fat 20x4-inch tires absorb shocks, and the stylish frame stands out in city traffic. Ideal for urban cruising, light trail adventures, or anyone seeking a blend of style and power. Pros: unique design, comfortable, long range, handles light trails effectively, attention-grabbing style. Cons: bulkier due to fat tires and full suspension, requires more storage space, heavier than minimalist e-bikes. Number 8. Segway SuperScooter GT2P. The Segway SuperScooter GT2P is designed for high-speed performance and durability. Its 6000W dual-motor drive allows acceleration up to 43.5 miles per hour, while a 55-mile range per charge supports long rides. Adjustable suspension, 11-inch tubeless tires, and hydraulic disc brakes ensure smooth handling and stability. Aluminum frame construction keeps the scooter strong without excessive weight, making it ideal for city commuting or adventurous rides. Pros: fast, powerful, robust, smooth handling, precise braking. Cons: expensive, requires experience at high speeds, less practical for beginners, larger footprint for storage. Number 9. Apollo Go electric scooter. The Apollo Go offers convenience, safety, and foldable portability. Its advanced battery system provides 30 miles in eco mode, 20 in standard, and 15 in sport mode. 360-degree LED lighting ensures visibility from all angles, while the foldable design allows easy storage on public transit or small apartments. Smooth acceleration, responsive braking, and sturdy construction make it ideal for daily commuting. Pros: safe, versatile, easy to store, reliable braking. Cons: moderate top speed for thrill seekers. Battery life may vary depending on terrain, less suitable for off-road adventures. Number 10. YUME Scooter Raptor. The YUME Raptor is a high-performance 6000W scooter engineered for speed and stability. Its forged frame with cooling fins handles extreme rides at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. Battery options include a standard 27Ah or an upgraded 30Ah Samsung cell, extending range to 56 to 60 miles. Zoom hydraulic disc brakes and EBS provide near-instant stopping power. Designed for riders who demand thrill, control, and long-range performance in a single package. Pros: long-range, high-speed, stable frame, premium braking system, reinforced structure. Cons: heavy and less portable, premium cost, requires skill at high speeds. Number 11. TopMate ES33. Weighing just 33 pounds, the TopMate ES33 is an ultra-light, three-wheel scooter perfect for urban commuting or travel. Its 250W motor offers 3-speed modes plus reverse, while the removable 281Wh battery supports 15 to 18.6 miles per charge. Quick fold technology allows convenient storage in small apartments, cars, or buses. Compact, practical, and user-friendly, it's ideal for city commuters seeking portability. Pros: lightweight, foldable, user-friendly, compact, easy to carry. Cons: moderate speed, limited long-range capability, less suitable for open road or adventurous riding. Number 12. Jasion Romeo Electric Bike. The Jasion Romeo is perfect for urban commuting and light trail adventures. Its 750W motor reaches 28 miles per hour, supported by a removable 528Wh battery offering 45 to 60 miles per charge. 7-speed drivetrain, dual mechanical disc brakes, and ergonomic saddle ensure smooth rides. Lightweight frame and integrated lights enhance visibility and commuting comfort. Pros: reliable, versatile, commuter-friendly, ergonomic design. Cons: slightly limited off-road capability. Battery may need frequent charging for extended trips. Moderate top speed for thrill seekers. Number 13. Razor C45 Electric Scooter. The Razor C45 offers smooth riding and app-enabled functionality. Pneumatic 12.5-inch front and 10-inch airless rear tires absorb shocks, while a 46.8V lithium-ion battery supports 23 miles per charge. 3 riding modes, normal, cruising, and sport, allow speed control, and Bluetooth app integration tracks performance and customization. Pros: comfortable, app-enabled, smooth ride, easy to monitor. Cons: moderate top speed, limited cargo capacity, less suited for rough terrain, not ideal for high-speed commuters. Number 14. NAVEE Electric Scooter. NAVEE's scooter is reliable, efficient, and practical for daily commuting. Its 477W battery supports up to 37.5 miles per charge, while the 1000W motor handles moderate hills. 3 riding modes, tubeless solid tires, and responsive braking enhance commuter safety. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to transport and store. Pros: efficient, reliable, commuter-friendly, simple to store. Cons: limited high-speed performance, less suitable for off-road use, moderate acceleration. Number 15. VELOWAVE Electric Bike. The VELOWAVE e-bike balances city and off-road functionality. Its 250 to 350W motor supports 20 to 28 miles per hour riding speeds, while an integrated battery offers up to 45 miles of range. Mechanical disc brakes, wide tires, and ergonomic saddle provide safety and comfort. Hybrid design supports commuting, weekend trips, and light trail adventures. Pros: comfortable, efficient, versatile hybrid design. Cons: moderate off-road performance, heavier than folding e-bikes, may require frequent battery monitoring for long rides. Number 16. DW Meigi MG1703. The DW Meigi MG1703 is a trusted, reliable electric bike with a 48V, 750W motor delivering 80 Nm torque and achieving nearly 20 miles per hour with pedal assist. Removable lithium-ion battery supports 45 miles per charge and recharges in 4 to 5 hours. Sturdy steel frame supports riders up to 330 pounds, combining urban commuting practicality with safety and durability. Pros: durable, reliable, strong frame, easy to maintain. Cons: heavy, less suited for extreme off-road trails, bulkier for storage. And that wraps up our top 16 Amazon electric trikes, bikes, and scooters. Each ride offers a unique combination of performance, comfort, and convenience, whether commuting, enjoying weekend adventures, or seeking high-speed thrills. From the ultralight TopMate ES33 to the extreme-speed YUME Raptor, the stylish Jasion RetroVolt, and the trusted DW Meigi MG1703, there's an electric ride for every style, terrain, and budget. All product links are in the description for quick access, where you can check pricing, deals, and availability. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming tech and gadget reviews. Comment below and let us know which electric ride caught your eye and why. We love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.